Hello. Right, the next bit of algebra you've got to do, as you can see from the title, is expanding brackets in algebra. You've seen brackets before in BidMaths. This is slightly different. Okay, using brackets in algebra, not like BidMaths. When we say using brackets in algebra, what we generally mean is something that looks like that. Okay, 3 on the outside of the brackets, and then inside of the brackets we've got an x plus 4. But what does that actually mean? Well, 3. The 3 means there's 3 of something. Okay, so I can drag out 3 of these, look. Think of them like boxes or drawers or cupboards in your house. Okay, inside each of those boxes is an x plus 4. Now, when we say we want to expand the brackets, what we're really saying is, if we emptied those boxes and counted up what was really inside them, how much would we have? Well, if we look at the x's first, we've got an x by there, an x there, and an x there. How many x's is that? Well, that's 3x. But what else have we got? There's a 4 in each bracket, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. If you have 3 of those, 4 add 4 add 4 makes 12. So we also get plus 12. So that means that brackets we started with, if you emptied them out or expanded them, actually give us that. Okay. If I start again there, okay, we get rid of all of this stuff. I'll show you another example. There we go. Okay, this time we'll have 4 lots of 2x plus 5. The 4 there means that there's 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And inside each box this time is a 2x plus 5. Then it's time to count up what we've got all together. So starting with the x's, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So we get 8x. And if we look at the numbers, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we get plus 20. So 4 lots of 2x plus 5 is the same as 8x plus 20. But you don't want to be drawing boxes every time. It's going to take ages. So is there a shortcut? Well, yeah, if you go back to how I counted these up, I said 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 times 2. If you go back to how I counted these, I said 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 lots of 5. So that 8 there is 4 lots of, or 4 times 2x. And the 20 by there is 4 lots of 5, which makes sense. If all of these boxes are the same, and I've got 4 of them, then I just multiply what's in the box by 4. Okay? The normal way of showing that we're multiplying with brackets is a little loop. 4 times 2x. That gives me the 8x by there. 4 lots of 5. 4 times 5 gives me the 20 by there. Don't worry so much about the plus. That's because you've got a plus and a plus, which gives the plus. Okay. If we look at an example that does have minuses in them, I'll leave it as 4 again, just so I don't have to redraw all the boxes. If we had 4 lots of 3x minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the 4. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. What have we got? 3, 6, 9, 12. 12x, 4 times 3, 3x, 4 times 3x, 12x. And we've got minus 2, another minus 2, another minus 2, and another minus 2. That is 4 lots of minus 2. Well, if we count in minus 2s, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 goes there. So 4 lots of 3x, 4 times 3x is 12x. Remember, there's no times sign in algebra, so we don't write 12 times x, we just write 12x. And 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. 4 times minus 2, 4 times 3x. So if you'd like a quick way of expanding brackets, everything on the inside of the brackets gets multiplied by the number on the outside of the brackets. Okay, and you leave your answer like it is. So if we look at a few examples then. 5 times x, that's easy. 5x, no times sign in algebra, remember. 5 times 3, 15. 5x plus 15. 4 times x. Again, remember there's no times sign in algebra, so 4 times x is just 4x. 4 times minus 2, we've just done one like this. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Okay. Now these are your answers. Okay, don't do anything with those. Don't try and do 5 out of 15 is 20. It doesn't work like that. This has got x's in it, this one doesn't, so you can't put them together. 2 times x. 2x. 2 times 7. 14. Again, don't try to make that into 16 or something like that. It doesn't work like that, okay? This one's got x's in and this one doesn't. These two can't be put together. You can't simplify. Now the next ones have got a number inside the bracket as well, but it doesn't really make any difference. Look, 3 lots of 2x. It's like 3 times 2x. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. So 6x. 3 times minus 5. It's not as hard as you'd think. Do your minus 5 times table. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. Then we've got 5 lots of 3x. 5 times 3 is 15, so 5 lots of 3x is 15x. 5 lots of 4 is 20, and it's plus 4, so it's plus 20 there. And then the last one for this little set, 6 times 5x, 6 lots of 5 are 30, so 30x, and then 6 lots of minus 2, well 6 times 2 is 12, so 6 times minus 2 is minus 12, okay? And all of those, you'd leave them like they are. You are just expanding the brackets, okay? It means to multiply everything inside the bracket by the number on the outside. Now then, if you're good at that, you might have a look at what comes next. This is called expanding and collecting. So you did some collecting terms last week, where you tied up your algebra, you tried to make it a little bit shorter. If I expand some of these, look, and you just expand them one at a time. So 3 times 4, 12x. 3 times 2, 6. If I then look at the second bracket, 5 times 3 is 15. Now they're all pluses, there's no minuses here. And 5 times 4 is 20. Now I can't put the 15 and the 20 together. I can't put the 12 and the 6 together. But I can put the 12x and the 15x together, and they're adding. So 12 add 15 is 27x. And I can do the same with the numbers. I can put the 6 and the 20 together because they're numbers. 6 add 20 is 26. So my final answer for the first one there would be 27x plus 26. Look at the next one. 5 times 2x, 10x. 5 times 7, 35. Then do the second bracket. 2 times 3x, 6x. And 2 times 1 is 2. If we put the things which are like each other together, we've got 10x and 6x. They can be added together. 35 and 2, 37, they can be added together. Now on the next one, I put some minuses in. First bracket, nothing particularly difficult there. 4 times 5 is 20x, 4 times 6 is 24. On the second bracket, you need to be a little bit careful. 2 times 4, normal 8x. But 2 lots of minus 5 is minus 10. So when we tidy it up, 20x, add 8x, it's easy enough, 28x. But when we come to the numbers, normal 24 plus 24, take away 10. 24, take away 10, is 14. So we actually go down 10, not up 10. Start on 24 and go down 10. Okay. 3 lots of 4x, it's 12x. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. 3 times x, 3x, there's no minuses on that. And 3 times 8 is 24. There's no minuses on that either. Tidy it up then. 12x, add 3x, is 15x. Careful here, minus 9, add 24. Make a little number line. There's minus 9, there's 0. We are adding 24. And if you start at minus 9 and add 24, you get 15. And because we went past 0, it's plus 15. Just down a little bit. Really hard these last couple. Okay, first bracket gives us 10x plus 30. The second bracket, minus 3 times 3. Well, that's minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. And minus 3 times minus 4. Well, in maths, if two minuses are multiplying each other, a minus times a minus makes a plus. And 3 times 4 is 12. So that minus and that minus, when they multiply each other, make that plus. If we tidy that up now then, well, with x's, I'm using my highlights this time, we've got 10x from the first bracket, we've got to take away 9 from the second bracket. Well, 10 take away 9 leaves us with 1. And you can write 1x, or you can just write x. That doesn't matter so much. So the numbers, we've got 30 from the first bracket, add 12 from the second bracket, so that makes 42. So 1x plus 42, or just x plus 42. And then the last one, we've got 16x minus 8 from the first bracket, minus 12x, and again a minus and a minus make a plus, plus 18. Okay, you made a little bit of practice with your signs. Tidy that up. We've got 16x take away 12x is 4x, and minus 8, add 18, so start at minus 8 and add 18, and you get to 10.